Hi friends. What it takes to Reshore manufacturing successfully. Case solution and analysis. Broad differentials in energy costs in different regions of the world, high supply chain and logistics prices, and rising labor costs in China and other emerging markets are provoking a fresh round of relocation of manufacturing and creation. While some labor-intensive occupations are winding its operation and moving from China to Southeast Asia or the next emerging low-cost areas, some manufacturing work is, in addition, returning to the United States. Walmart is facilitating prop attempts among its suppliers, and advisors are offering prop conferences, reports and plenty of advice. This is particularly affirmative when resources that are needed, the provider base, the workforce and even the firm's own inner product layout capacities, have atrophied. She analyzed several initiatives aimed at rebuilding regional capacity in the United States, including at GE's Appliance Park in Kentucky and 2 Flextronics International plants in Texas and other examples in Asia and Europe to identify lessons about what works. Setting production close to the marketplace reduces delivery times, minimizes inventory in the pipeline and shortens ordering cycles. Thanks for watching this video.